Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Planting with Danny. I am Danny and I'm going to do an unboxing for the archer&olive June sub box. So let's get started. So just a disclaimer, I bought this on my own. Although I am an affiliate for archer&olive, so use the code T with Danny 10, you will get 10% off your purchase. And let's get started. So for this June box, it's like this box is worth about $200, but it has 9 items and you're only paying $70, which is such a deal for those bullet journal lovers like myself. I do use my bullet journal for memory keeping and stuff. Hopefully I can show more of that in this channel. So let's get started. So I did do a little peek. I did not see none of the sneak peek, but I did unwrap like the clear plastic stuff that comes out and everything, just to keep it, so I want to like rip it up in front of the camera. Okay, so this is like a very stage green. So the theme is, I think, Eternal, I believe. Eternal Desert. Can I tell you how excited I was for this? And I think it's Eternal and Real Desert. But it says it right here. This is the theme. And I'm not going to show you the items in the back. I'll show you after, like the cost and everything for each item. I'm not sure if they're going to be, putting them in the shop, but this is exclusive. So I'm going to take everything out and let's get started with that. So first up, we have the A5 Embodied Notebook cover. So this is very exclusive. This is the notebook cover for the A5 bullet journal. Love the color of the inside. I will be using this to take it with me. I have my my bullet journal in it. You might as well. I'll put it after, but yeah. So that's one of the items, and this is worth $45. Next up is the A5 special edition notepad. I took the plastic off, it'll be easy for opening it up. And can you just say, this is like one of my first notepads. So it's like a very olive green, has the black dotted grid and the A5 size. You could actually put this in your bullet journal, and it had the line, so you could rip it up. So it has a very strong leather color. Oh wait, there's 3 colors. Mind you, these are like more craft paper. So this is like the blue and the tan, the original craft paper. So this is a craft paper, and this is worth what is that? It is worth $35. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. Now I'll have to air it out later. Next up is the actual A5 notebook that everybody was like, I tried not to see the sneak peek, but I think I only saw a little bit of this one, but I did not see how it looks in the middle. Like, how I always have like the middle design. So let's see. I'm loving the eggplant purple. Oh, it is a Craft Sketchbook. Cool. This is like my first, so let me just take out the paper. It's the same like leather, like that vegan leather, and it had like the moon and the mountain and the stars. It's so pretty. And the elastic and the pen loop, and it's all craft paper. So for my craft paper lover, and it's not dot grid, so it's blank. So you guys could like sketch it or make it like a scrapbook. So yeah, that's probably my plan for the summer, because summer is almost here. So that is worth $32. Next up, it's gonna be the Chronograph Markers, and there are 5 of them. So let me just open these up. And the colors are so pretty. hold up, let me just take these out. So we got like a very emerald green, a purple, a soft tannish orange, a soft pink, and a soft yellow, pastel yellow. So that's the colors. And these are 7mm tip. And these are worth $22. I'm not sure if they're gonna add these in the site, but if they do, you'll find out right then. Okay, next up will be this cute Cactus Pin, and this is worth $12. So you could put these in, because it had the clips in the bottom, you could put this in the embodied, you know, if you want, or you could just put it in a backpack. So that's one of the accessories. Let me just sit a little bit. Next up, we have the binder clips, and the binder clips are worth $12 as well. So I did not see these, so I'm gonna open these. So they're beautiful binder clip, very well done. There are 3 of them right here, as you can see. I think these are super cute. The design definitely go with the theme. And then this nice purple one, like an eggplant purple. So that's the binder clip. Next up is the washi tape. So they're set of 4, and they are worth $11. Hopefully they could bring these out. If not, they probably just limited edition. So how fun are these? Look how pretty are these. This is definitely like something I'm gonna do for July. I did kind of do like a design like themes like this, so this is gonna be perfect for the month of July. I'm just loving the neutral colors and the, you know, the desert feel of it. So that's the washi tape, and that's part of my new washi collection. Next is, I don't know what are these, so I'm gonna look, because it doesn't show in the card for some reason. This is something new. Ooh, okay. So they came out with their first sticky notes. How cute is that? So it had all the little icons from the box, and then when you open it, it's like all the neutral colors right here. So this was fun. So that's new. It does not, I don't know how much it is. This is probably like a surprise one, because it's something sneaky peeky. But yeah. Next and last will be the ruler set. So this is worth $15. So I'm gonna open these up. Ooh, I love the sturdiness of this. Loving it. So it definitely has the lines, and it has the rainbow. As you can see, it's clear, so you can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it well, but yeah. Yeah, that could be helpful. And it is great because you have the ruler over here, and it has the design, so you want to like do it like the squares or the list, do whatever you want. That's the ruler center, and that is worth $15 as said. So that is all the products that came in the June subscription box, and I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for more videos because July is coming up and more things are coming. Thank you for watching. Bye.